So, bonsai Foken tea from cuttings. It's been quite some time. We have trained ining aton bonsai Foken tea until nalabot niya ining concept naton. So, ang pagbonsai takes time, underwent a series of cutting, spawning, rewiring, pagkalbo-kalbo sa iya, and of course, pagripat. Atong ngapat nabuka na siya, but then it serves the purpose ang siningad concept natin. Gani kung may mga broken man kita or may mga unexpected experiences, unwanted, it has a purpose and it will serve its purpose in the future. Maybe God is trying to prepare us for something better or beautiful to happen. Just like this vase. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Please follow, like, and share. God bless.